Hi scientists, Professor Beakerz here. Welcome back to the Beakerz Lab, where we will be learning about space and rockets. Make sure you have your Beakerz Science box, mom, dad, or another adult, and come right back here. Today, we are learning about space. What is space? Space is everything outside of our planet Earth. Our planet is part of something called a solar system. Can you say solar system? Great job. Everything in our solar system orbits around the sun because the sun has a very strong gravitational pull. Can you say gravitational? Great job. Look at your solar system diagram to help you see how large the sun is compared to all of the other planets. Okay, now take your sticker chart and place your sun right in the middle. Good job. Earth is one of 8 planets. The other planets are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Of all the other planets, Earth is the only one with life on it. How amazing is that? And it's because of our atmosphere. The atmosphere keeps out harmful radiation from the sun, and it keeps in the oxygen we need to breathe and the warmth we need to survive. Now go back to your diagram and use it to place your stickers properly.